How to create TurboTax account? 2024. Planning to file your taxes for 2024? The first thing you need is a TurboTax account, and I'll guide you through the process in a few simple moves. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website at turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In at the top right corner, or select Create an Account or Start for Free if you're new. Next, enter your details: email, phone number, and a strong password. And keep an eye out for a verification code sent to your email or phone. Set up your security questions for extra protection, then confirm your account with the code you received. Now, it's time to pick the right TurboTax product for your needs. From Free Edition for simple returns to Deluxe, Premier, or self-employed versions for more complex filings. With your account ready, start filing your taxes. TurboTax will guide you through every detail, like income and deductions. Remember to save your progress as you go so you can come back anytime without losing your data. And that's it. You've just created your TurboTax account for 2024. Now you're ready to tackle your taxes with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.